Hello, in this video I will show you how to derive the cubic formula, which is negative b minus a p plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac minus 2ab minus 3a squared p squared over 2. So how to derive this formula? So for example, you're given a cubic equation in the form of ax to the power 3 plus bx squared plus cx plus d, and given also that the factor, one of the factors for this equation is x minus p. So using factor theorem, this will be x minus p, a x 3 to the power 3 plus bx squared plus cx plus d. So when you divide this will be ax squared. So this will be ax squared times x to be ax cubed, ax squared minus times negative p to be negative apx squared. Then you subtract, this will be 0, and this will be b. This negative times negative will be positive, so this will be b plus ap x squared. Then you bring down plus cx. So when you divide this into this will be plus b plus ap x. Then you multiply this times x, it will be b plus ap x squared. Then this times negative p, it will be negative, it will be pb plus ap squared x. Then you subtract, this and this will be positive, so it will be c plus pb plus ap squared x. Then you bring down d plus d. So this you divide into this to be plus c plus pb plus ap squared. Then this multiplied by x to be c plus pb plus ap squared x. Then this times negative p to be negative pc plus p squared b plus ap cubed. You subtract this and this, so this will be positive again, so this will be d plus pc plus p squared b plus ap cubed. So this d plus pc plus p squared b plus ap3 is equals to 0. So now you can use this, since you already have one of the values as the factor p. You can use this ax squared plus b plus ap x plus c plus p plus ap squared. So this, if you look at it, this is squared. So if you look at this, you will notice that it's a quadratic equation. So you can either use completing the squares, or you can replace this into the quadratic formula method, and it will give you the same outcome. So x minus negative p plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So just replace where there is b, so negative b. What is our b in this equation? It's b plus ap plus or minus square root, or b again is b plus ap squared minus 4 Our A is A, then our C is C plus PB plus AP squared over our A is A. So x, this would be negative B minus AP plus or minus square root. This would be B squared plus 2ABP plus A squared P squared minus 4AC minus 4BP minus 4A squared. So this would be negative 4ABP. This would be 4A squared P squared over 2A. So if you group the like terms, this will be negative is equals to, so negative B minus AP plus or minus, this will be B squared, then minus 4AC minus 2ABP minus 4ABP to be negative 2ABP. So S squared P squared minus 4A squared P squared to be minus 3A squared P squared over 2A. So this now will be x is equals to negative B minus AP plus or minus square root B squared minus 4AC minus 2ABP minus 3A squared B squared over 2A. That's how you derive this formula.